Hey, y'all, wake up, man. It's Cola Barber. Now, there's some shit that needs to be said, and I'm gonna be the one to goddamn say it. That's right. I'm gonna be the one to goddamn say it. You feel me? Now, I understand that it's a pandemic going on right now. You understand? Due to COVID-19, the coronavirus, or whatever. You understand? And most of us barbers are permitted to stay home. You understand? We ordered to stay home, because the whole work safe, stay at home orders passed all throughout the country. You understand what I'm saying? And most of us barbers, we out of work right now. You feel me? And then you got a few barbers that's still out here, pushing the line. You feel me? All the shops, they closed. But some barbers still doing a pull-up game. You feel me? And that's what's up, man. You understand? Because can't nobody put no price on your health and your wellness but you. You understand what I'm saying? Some of us feel like, we ain't going to expose ourselves and our family, so we're going to stay home. And some barbers, you feel me? They still pulling up. That's what's up. Do your thing. You put that price on your health and your wellness. That's for you. That's cool. Now, what I got a problem with is these barbers that's out here trying to slide the skates up on the other barbers because this whole little pandemic shit going on. You feel me? Right now is not the time for no goddamn roaching. You feel me? You got these roaching barbers out here that's saying, hey, man, if your barber charging you too much right now, you feel me? Come to me. You understand? I ain't gonna charge you a lot. You feel me? What type of shit is that? You feel me? That's sliding the skates up under another barber. That's kicking a man way down. You feel me? If these barbers decide they want to get out of here and cut some hair, even though this shit going on, they putting their health at risk. You understand what I'm saying? They putting their life at risk. So they raising their prices. You goddamn right. You understand? Going to cut people hair, that ain't going no goddamn way anyway. You understand? And you do got some people that's considered essential workers, and they still going to work and shit like that. And that's cool. They probably feel like they need their haircut. You understand what I'm saying? But you got these barbers that's out here, they hating because the barbers charging a lot with they pull up for their pull up game. You feel me? The people put prices on their health, man. That's what they feel like. They're putting prices on their wellness and their health. You understand what I'm saying? You got these bullshit ass, roaching ass barbers out here, or so-called barbers out here, trying to slide the skates up on the barbers because they taxing, because they putting their health at risk. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, now ain't the time for that roaching shit. You understand? Right now is the time for us to be sticking together. You understand what I'm saying? And barbers, y'all don't be afraid of losing clients right now. You listen to me. You never lose a real client. You understand? Listen to me slowly. You never lose a real client. You understand? Your true client's gonna stick with you, man. They ain't going nowhere. You understand what I'm saying? They gonna ride this thing out with you. They gonna come to you with a goddamn afro. They might try to touch their shit up theyself at home and fuck theyself up or whatever. You understand? They might even try to bullshit barber right now. You understand? Because you put your health first and you ain't out here cutting. They might even try another barber. But guess what? When this shit over with, and it's gonna be over with, and them doors open back up on that shop, and that schedule open back up, them clients gonna book with you, and they gonna still be in rotation. You understand what I'm saying? You ain't gonna lose no valuable clients. You understand? You ain't gonna lose no true clients right now, so don't be afraid of that shit. And don't be one of these roach-ass barbers out here trying to slide the skates up under another barber. You know what I'm saying? That shit just whack to me. That you ain't no real barber like that. See, in my shop, in the shop that I work in, we don't operate like that. You understand what I'm saying? We don't operate in that manner. What we do at the shop that I work at, we all charge the same price, and somebody may even charge more. You understand? Some of us may even charge more. You understand what I'm saying? And that's cool. But that's just like, and this shit these barbers doing, that's just like when these barbers start to, when they come in the shop and they see the prices $20 a head, and they come in the damn shop and start charging $10 a head so they can get all the clientele. You understand what I'm saying? The only clients gonna come to them is the bullshit people that'll lead them if they price go up too. You understand? And when the clientele start to pick up and they got an overcapacity of clients, you know what I'm saying, overwhelming capacity of clientele, then they want to raise their prices, and then you're going to lose all your motherfucking clientele because they searching for the next barber with the cheapest price. You understand what I'm saying? So don't be afraid of these roaches. Let them roach, you understand? Because it ain't going to last long. You kicking a man when he down. You might as well go to your goddamn partner, baby mama, and say, man, that nigga ain't treating you right. You know what I'm saying? I can treat you better. You feel me? That's some roach ass, snake ass shit. You understand? I said it. That's right. I said it. You got something to say about it? Comment. You understand what I'm saying? Hit the DM. Hit my phone number. All that shit all over here, and we can chop it up about it. You feel me? Because there's some bullshit, and I ain't with it. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all barbers, stay true to the game. Put your health, y'all barbers that's out here putting y'all health first, I respect that. Y'all barbers that's still pulling up on y'all clients, shit, I respect that. Just don't try to slide no skates up on no other barbers in a time like this, because that shit gonna get exposed, man. Y'all wake y'all ass up.